Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector, and in today's episode we're gonna talk about CRONOS, the crypto.com crypto, in just 5 minutes, and we're gonna explain everything. So let's go through the agenda. So we're gonna go through what is CRONOS, why CRONOS, how to get CRONOS, and why invest in it. It's gonna be self-explanatory since I'm gonna talk about many things. And if you're new into my YouTube channel, welcome, and I'd appreciate you to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for that. Let's start. So, who are the founders of Crypto.com? The good thing about Crypto.com, it has several founders, so if someone leaves or anything, you've got a backup. It's not a single point of failure, as they say in IT, you know? So you've got Bobby Bao, Gary Orr, Chris Marszalek, and Rafael Mello. It started in 2016. It's the 25th most popular crypto. It has a market cap of 3.6 plus billion. That's August 2022. And the crypto.com is called CRONOS with an initial of CRO, initially known as the crypto.org coin, aka the public chain. So they had their own chain also. And the current value is approximately 12 cents with an all-time high of 94 cents. So what about their blockchain? They have several blockchains, so that's a good point, you know. That means they did their research and they did several experiments. So they have the Ethereum, the EVM compatible blockchain created on top of the Cosmos ecosystem in parallel with the crypto.org blockchain, and also the Ethermint. So if you want to check the transactions, you've got several options. You can go through the CRONOS chain here, putting your transaction ID here, and you can see here all the latest transactions. And also you can go to, this is under development, as we can see here. So they're already testing it and they're improving their chain. That is a good point also. And also in the Etherscan, you can also see visible transactions. I mean, obviously you have to select the network, and from there you can see the transaction. Now let's talk about why CRONOS. It's a reputable large crypto exchange with a 50 plus million users already. That's quite a lot of people in it, right? 4,000 employees and presence in 90 countries, okay? So it's globally available. They have a really good, amazing advertisement campaigns that they're doing. The marketing team is quite good. They have Matt Damon now on their ads they sponsor. And also we have Crypto.com Arena, okay? They have sponsorship deals with football teams, and also they're in the FIFA World Cup of Qatar of 2022. They're also sponsors of Paris Saint-Germain team, also Italy Series A, and also on the UFC. So you can see Crypto.com in the UFC matches. I mean, imagine how many millions of people are watching that. And also in the Formula 1, Aston Martin, Twitch rivals, they also reach gamers, so their audience is quite good. You know, you've got gamers, sport fanatics and all that. And I'm really eager to see what's the next one they're gonna make. Okay, so they also have their metallic Visa card with up to 5% cashback and additional bonuses, such as you can get full cashback for 6 months on the Spotify, on the Netflix, and also additional, they have also additional benefits that you can see. I'm not going to go through that now. So the CRONOS is as economic as 12 cents currently, so you don't need much investment to start with. Okay, and you'll get quite large leverage. Don't forget Binance, they started like this with cents, and now they're 250, they even reached 500, 600 euros, and that's in a short period of time. You don't need minimum deposits. The withdrawal and deposit fees are quite okay. Also, they're paid with their own crypto. They do support the DEFI ecosystem with its own DEFI wallet and blockchain. You can mint NFTs and sell them in the marketplace also if you're into NFTs. Okay, so, and it's quite helpful. They have DEFI staking at the moment up to 300 plus, and in some assets 14.5 on CryptoEarn. And on CryptoEarn, sorry. And also they have quite an active community trending content about crypto that you can check. Well, how can you earn the crypto? So they have their own DeFi wallet. As I said, you can go through their link. I'll link that in the description. I also have a video how to open an account step by step with Crypto.com. So it's quite helpful, and you can get $25 worth of CRO. And also many centralized brokers such as Binance and Coinbase. You can also buy CRONOS, okay? So that's widely available and you can find it. Thank you for watching. Crypto Inspector is out.